In this video, I am going to teach you how to leave a league in ESPN Fantasy Football. Whether you're the league manager or just cleaning up your profile, I'll guide you step by step. It only takes a few clicks to remove a league from your list. Let's get started. First, go to the profile icon at the top right and then click Login. This will redirect you to the ESPN login page. Then enter your email and password and click Continue. Make sure you're using the account linked to your fantasy teams. Next, go to your profile again and select the specific league you want to delete or leave. This brings you to that league's homepage. Then click the LM Tools section if you're the league manager. This menu gives you control over league settings. After that, choose Delete League under the league and scoring settings. You'll be asked to confirm your action. Next, just click Delete League again to continue. This ensures you don't accidentally remove the league. Finally, click Confirm to permanently delete the league from your profile. Once confirmed, it will no longer be accessible. And that's how to leave or delete a league in ESPN Fantasy Football. If this guide helped, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more easy walkthroughs. See you next time!